I'm Aisha, you are watching Educational Hub. Today we are going to discuss how to remove plagiarism. In this tutorial we are going to try basic tool that can be very helpful to avoid plagiarism. Let's start. First you need to open Google Chrome, and write WordTune. Click on WordTune. Now you can see that the page. Click on second link. Now you can see the site. Here you can change the paragraph and this particular site will help you in paraphrasing particular content. Now you can see paragraph. For example, let's copy some material from Google. We are going to paraphrase some of the paragraph. For example, what is human resource management? Okay, now copy this paragraph. Now open WordTune and paste it, and wait for few seconds. In case of maximum number of the words that you are going to paraphrase is 280 words. Okay, so click on the button rewrite. Now wait for few seconds. Website is going to process your paragraph. Okay, now you can see the best quality of this tool that does not give a single paragraph. You can see that there are number of paragraph and number of paraphrasing style on the context. This highlighted paragraph is one of the style of the approach that it has been paraphrased. This one is second one. And up to there are more than 10 to 15 styles are there, that your selected paragraph will be paraphrased. So it helped to you that which style and which paragraph is most suited to you. Okay. Now you can easily convert it to your most suitable paragraph. So I hope this website will help you in avoiding the plagiarism. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel or more informative videos about research.